Europe stands at a turning point. New geopolitical realities demand stronger, smarter, and faster defense capabilities. Superiority is defined by technology, agility, and industrial readiness. Autonomous systems, especially drones, demand a new kind of production. Scaling quickly while ensuring quality and security is the new frontier. EFESO partners with leading defense manufacturers to accelerate transformation. From concept to ramp-up, we bridge operational excellence, advanced manufacturing and technology integration. Our drone factory concept connects digital design, intelligent production and global scalability, a blueprint for high-performance drone manufacturing, designed for speed and flexibility. By combining automation, AI and lean principles, we accelerate industrial readiness and ensure consistent quality at every stage. Together with global defense partners, EFESO drives innovation and production readiness, strengthening Europe's strategic autonomy. With a proven track record in aerospace, defense and other high-tech industries, EFESO enables the drone factories of the future today. EFESO, designing the future of manufacturing.